How to enable or disable mobile devices in Windows. One of the most critical tasks for IT administrators to balance user productivity and endpoint security is to enable or disable mobile devices in Windows depending on certain use cases. In this video, we'll explain how to do so using different methods. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why enable or disable mobile devices in Windows? First, why would you want to disable mobile device connections? In business environments, you may want to prevent unauthorized data transfers, block malware from external devices, or reduce the risk of data exfiltration. At the same time, many users rely on mobile devices for file syncing or app connectivity, especially in buyout environments. The goal is to apply the right controls without overly restricting legitimate workflows. How to enable or disable mobile devices in Windows. There are different ways to enable or disable mobile devices in Windows. Let's start with the Local Group Policy Editor. Method 1. Local Group Policy Editor. This method is ideal if you want to prevent the installation of specific mobile devices, including future device connections. First, press Window+R, type gpedit.msc, and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Next, navigate to this location: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Device Installation Restrictions. Find and double-click Prevent Installation of Devices that match any of these device IDs. Set the policy to Enabled and click Show. From here, add vendor IDs or device hardware IDs for devices you want to block, such as the following examples. Optionally, check Also Apply to matching devices that are already installed so existing ones get uninstalled. Finally, click Apply and then OK before rebooting the system. Method 2. Registry Editor. Next, using the Registry Editor is effective for controlling file transfers and syncing. Start by pressing Window+R, typing regedit, and hitting Enter. Go to this key: H key, Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Portable Devices. If the Windows Portable Devices key doesn't exist, create it. Inside this key, find or create a DEWARD 32-bit value named Disable Whoop Devices. Then set the value data to 1 to block mobile device connections and 0 to allow them. Click OK, close the Registry Editor, and reboot. Method 3. Device Manager. Lastly, if you prefer a more hands-on method, use the Device Manager. First, press Window+X and open Device Manager. Expand categories like portable devices or USB controllers. Right-click the mobile device you wish to disable and choose Disable Device. To re-enable it later, do the same thing and select Enable Device. Simply repeat these steps for all your target devices. In the end, knowing how to enable or disable mobile devices in Windows involves striking a balance between security and usability. Always test your changes, have rollback plans in place, and avoid overly broad blocks that could disrupt legitimate users. For more information, check out our official blog post on enabling or disabling mobile devices in Windows, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.